Are you struggling to generate a WAR file using Maven? You're not alone. Many developers face this issue, and today we're going to solve it together. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when you expect a build to complete, but you can't find the output file. It can feel like all your hard work is for nothing. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. A user has a Maven POM file set up, but they don't see the WAR file in the target folder after building. Does this sound familiar? Let's dive into the details. So, what could be going wrong? There are several reasons why a WAR file might not be generated, including misconfigurations in the POM file or issues with the build process itself. Let's explore these possibilities. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that can help you avoid this issue in the future. To generate a WAR file using Maven, the user should first ensure that they are in the correct directory where the Maven project is located. This is typically the root folder of the project. Next, the user needs to run the Maven package command. This command compiles the code and packages it into a WAR file. After running the package command, the user should check the target folder. The WAR file should be named according to the final name specified in the POM file. If the WAR file is still not present, the user should check for any build errors in the terminal output. These errors can prevent the WAR file from being generated. Finally, if everything seems correct but the WAR file is still missing, the user may want to clean the project and try building it again. This can be done using the Maven clean command followed by the package command. Fun fact, the term WAR stands for Web Application Archive. It's like a zip file for your web applications, making deployment a breeze. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggested by a user is to run the Maven commands clean install or clean package. This can help generate the .war file you need. If the build is successful, you're good to go. If not, the user advises to share the error code for further assistance. Let's move forward and look at another answer. One alternative solution is to use the Maven WAR plugin. This plugin can help you generate the .war file you need. Here's a pro tip. Always keep your Maven and Java versions updated. Compatibility issues can often lead to build problems. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to generate your WAR file successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.